Welcome to Week 5 of Practical AI for SMBs. Today, we'll explore how to begin AI implementation in your business. This session will guide you through the initial steps, ensuring a smooth transition into AI technologies. Let's dive into the strategies that can transform your operations and drive innovation. AI adoption starts with trust and clarity. Build trust from day one by engaging in open conversations. Simplify AI concepts to remove fear and confusion. Empower your team by highlighting AI as a tool for enhancing creativity and strategy, not as a replacement. This approach fosters a positive environment for AI integration. Begin with a question. What's the most repetitive part of your week? This universal question helps identify tasks ripe for AI automation. It focuses on problems, not technology, and uncovers prime AI opportunities. Facilitate this discussion in team meetings to reveal patterns and potential pilot projects. Demonstrate AI's potential with real data. Choose a simple use case and show a quick, impactful result. This approach makes AI's benefits tangible and immediate, sparking excitement and proving its value. Use real, non-sensitive data to ensure the demo is relatable and effective. Offer a pilot program to test AI on a specific process. Define the scope clearly to manage expectations. Select champions to lead the pilot and track the impact meticulously. Review the results to decide on broader adoption using metrics like time saved and quality improvements. Here's an example. Use AI to develop a marketing plan. This practical application showcases AI's ability to streamline processes and enhance strategic planning. By leveraging AI, businesses can create more effective and data-driven marketing strategies, leading to better outcomes.
We have developed a product brief for our new AgriGenic 5000. It's part of the Smart Agricultural Waste Management Solution product category. Now we want to create a detailed marketing plan to launch this product. Our team has decided to use Gemini AI to assist. Remember, get the Pro version for security. We have uploaded the document, and here we go. Within seconds, Gemini starts creating the marketing plan. It's extremely detailed. It includes executive summary, marketing goals and objectives, target audience, positioning and messaging, timelines, scheduling, and the list goes on. Gemini composes all this within seconds. Once it's complete, you can ask Gemini to make amendments, add further details, or ask it to focus on certain elements. This will save your company so much time and create so many more ideas. Better marketing means selling more products, which means greater profits. Whether it's Gemini, Copilot, ChatGPT, once you start using AI, you won't look back.
You're ready to bring AI into your business. You have a framework to start conversations, demonstrate value, and test with a low-risk pilot. With a clear message and understanding of AI's benefits, you're prepared to lead your business into the future with confidence. Next week, join us for a bonus episode on how AI is shaping the future for small and medium businesses. We'll explore key insights and trends you need to know to stay ahead. This session will provide valuable perspectives on leveraging AI for growth and innovation. For AI consulting, visit cloudmadesimple.com/AI-consulting. Our team is ready to assist you with AI integration, offering expert guidance and support. Contact us via phone or email for personalized solutions tailored to your business needs. Let's make AI work for you.